Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, climate control automatic. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.